Hi everyone. To anyone who wants to learn Forex trading, I highly recommend this course. Before I found Forex for Beginners Academy, which by the way is founded by Saad Ali, and he looks after you throughout the whole of the course, I found so many courses and videos out there on YouTube and Google search, which just left me feeling overwhelmed and confused with it all. I didn't know who to trust and what I actually needed to know. Luckily, I found Saad Ali. Bless him. Saad has put together this very well-structured course to help people from all walks of life learn Forex in a simplified, easy-to-digest manner. And best of all, it's all absolutely free. I've learned so many things within such a short space of time. I've learned how to read and analyze price charts on TradingView. I've learned how to use moving averages, trend lines, channels, support and resistance lines, Fibonacci, together with candlestick analysis, and loads more. Saad talks about mindset and risk management too. So it's not just about the technique, it's about your mind as well and how you're going to manage. He provides a private student group where he and others and myself can come together and give feedback on each other's chart analysis. I would highly recommend this course to anyone who wants to learn Forex. You certainly won't regret it. Thank you for listening.